The next generation light kit is here. The new Magjax LED Ultimate Plus light kit takes the guesswork out of upgrading the lights and accessories for your car. Our new kits come with automotive style headlights and taillights, with turn signals and hazards. This is a great first step for getting your car street legal. The redesigned turn signal assembly comes with controls for a horn, daytime running lights, high-low beams, and a 2-position accessory switch. The turn signals are on a 30-second self-canceling timer. We've upgraded the pressure pad to a mechanical brake switch. The brake lights are also on a 3-minute self-canceling timer. A convenient dual USB port mounts to your dash to charge your phone and accessories. The 12-volt, 7.5 amp connection offers easy install for an additional accessory. The included converter offers a 12 to 48 volt range for installation on most carts. The Ultimate Plus light kits are available for most Club Car, Yamaha, and E-Z-GO golf carts. These Ultimate Plus light kits are packed with new and exciting features. Go to nivelparts.com to find a Magjax dealer near you.